Does your RCCB trip immediately after a power blackout? This video explores the reasons behind this, covering inrush currents, inverters, and potential earth faults. It is a frustrating scenario. The power grid returns after an outage, but then the power fails again because your RCCB has tripped. Let's look at why. An RCCB monitors current balance. If the phase current equals the neutral current, the device stays on. However, if they are unequal, indicating leakage, the RCCB trips. It is important to distinguish between circuit breakers. An MCB protects against overloads and short circuits involving high amps. An RCCB is designed to protect against earth leakage and residual currents, operating at much lower levels. When power returns, normal appliances may experience transient surges. If this surge combines with your appliance's existing normal leakage and exceeds 30 milliamps, the RCCB will trip as a safety measure. Many electronic devices use EMI filters with Y-capacitors that connect to earth to suppress noise. These components can create a cumulative leakage current, which contributes to the overall load on your RCCB. Electronic boards often contain capacitors that start empty. When power returns, these capacitors fill quickly, creating a sudden inrush current that can cause the RCCB to register an imbalance. Surge protection devices, or SPDs, are designed to block voltage spikes by sending them to earth. However, if an SPD is damaged, it may leak enough current to trigger the RCCB. The neutral line must remain isolated from the earth. Downstream wiring errors that create alternate paths for current will cause the RCCB to detect a missing current and trip. Inverters are used to manage grid changeovers, often switching neutral wires. If the wiring for this system is incorrect, it can easily lead to nuisance tripping of your RCCB. Appliances with large compressors draw heavy starting currents. Additionally, moisture in outdoor circuits reduces insulation resistance. Power surges can expose these hidden faults, causing the RCCB to trip. The timing of a trip can help identify the cause. An immediate trip often points to transients or faulty equipment, while issues during rain or appliance startup suggest specific insulation or leakage problems. To diagnose the issue, turn off sensitive loads, reset your grid and RCCB, and then switch your MCBs on one by one. Unplugging appliances can help isolate which one is causing the fault. Avoid repeatedly resetting an RCCB that keeps tripping. Qualified electricians use specialized equipment like insulation testers or meggers and leakage clamp meters to safely and accurately identify the source of the leakage. Remember, RCCBs detect current imbalances, not power surges. If you experience frequent tripping, check your inverters, filters, and connected appliances. Thanks for watching.